Tomato leaf curl virus. The tomato leaf curl virus is the most destructive disease of the tomato. Tomato is the edible berry of the plant Solanum lycopersicum. It belongs to the kingdom Plantae, order Solanales, family Solanaceae. Typically grows 1 to 3 meters in height. The tomato leaf curl virus is the DNA virus from the genus Bicamovirus and the family Geminiviridae. It is non-enveloped, twinned incomplete icosahedral symmetry with two quasi-icosahedral units, size 38 nanometers, diameter 15 to 22 nanometers with 110 caspid proteins. The virus is transmitted by an insect vector which belongs to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta. The whitefly, Bemisia tabaci. The virus can be transmitted effectively during the adult stage. This disease is found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions, which causes severe economic losses. The female flies are more effectively in transmitting the virus when compared to the male flies. The primary host of tomato leaf curl virus is tomato, but it can also affect other plants like eggplant, potatoes, beans, and pepper. Due to the rapid spread of tomato leaf curl virus in the last few decades, there is increased focus in research trying to control this damaging pathogen. The virus is transmitted from infected flies to non-infected flies sexually. The genome of tomato leaf curl virus contains single-stranded circular DNA. The code protein is an essential component for successful transmission. The single-stranded DNA encodes for 6 open reading frames, which are V1, V2, C1, C2, C3, and C4. V1 protein protects the viral DNA by encapsulating it. C1 helps in replication. C2, C3, and C4 help in post-transcriptional gene silencing.
Virions are introduced into phloem-associated cells when whiteflies feeds on tomato. The virus enters the nucleus and there is replication and gene expression of the viral DNA. The code proteins enters the nucleus to facilitate the export of viral DNA. V1 proteins enhances the nuclear export of viral DNA and mediates the delivery of viral DNA to the periphery. C4 protein increases the plasmodesmata size and mediate cell-to-cell contact. Symptoms: marginal leaf yellowing, upward or downward leaf cupping, reduction in leaf size, flower drop, fruit drop, plant stunting, chlorosis on leaves and flowers, and stunted internodes. The management of the viral infection can be seen before planting. We have to select resistant varieties of the plants. Use of virus and whitefly-free transplants. During the growing season, planting should be done immediately after any tomato-free period or through winter season. Planting should be avoided near old fields. Managing whiteflies with use of insecticides. Covering of the plants with floating row covers of fine mesh. Practicing good weed management. After the growing season, removal and destruction of old crop residues helps in crop infection.